and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Manohar Parrikar betrays Maibhaas supporters, accepts suggestion of Diocesan Society, decides to continue grants to English primary schools. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch, NCP, other stakeholders not happy with the government's MOI decision, says Parrikar is playing game of politics. Goa India sweep women's singles table tennis event, take Lusophobia Games gold tally up to 5. K. Shamini wins gold, Madhurika clinches silver medal, bronze for Ankita Das. 48 vehicles in a car Mardol damaged by a miscreant. People claim Ramesh Gavade to be mentally challenged. Owners of vehicles suffer huge losses. And Capping Committee asks state departments of mining and ore transportation to present data on mining. Committee to submit its report by 15th February. Now, news in detail. Manohar Parrikar has betrayed the Maibhaas supporters who rallied behind him during MOI agitation. The government decided to continue grants to English medium diocesan schools by overruling views of majority of the members from the MOI committee. Moreover, government has given an option to private English medium schools to come under minority schools category to get grants and continue with English as medium of instruction.
Looking at the views of experts and by consultative committee, government has come to a conclusion that the importance of state language, Konkani Marathi as a medium of instruction, is paramount for balanced development of the students. However, taking into consideration the metropolitan nature of the state, importance of English cannot be overlooked. Thereby, wherever English has to be adopted, the same should be through books and teaching in bilingual to explain the difficulty to child in local language. Schools will be divided into 3 categories of schools. Salary grant shall be permitted to all primary schools under category A1. A1 म्हणजे कोकणी मराठी आणि 8th शेड्यूलची भाषा. 2. Subject to notes in policy document, salary grant shall be permitted to all primary schools under A2 म्हणजे minority institution. For besides teaching in Konkani Marathi, also in English. 3. No salary grants of any nature shall be permitted to primary school classified under A3, English. However, recognition to such institutions shall be subject to notes in policy documents. Institution opting for English medium for teaching other subjects shall be provided by government bilingual books having English along with Konkani and Marathi text for use in schools, and use of bilingual in teaching will be permitted to explain difficult topics to the student. म्हणजे इंग्लिश स्कूल आसा ते जर तूं वचूंक सोदता कोंकणी किंवा मराठी शाळेंत मिडियमाक जाल्यार तांकां वचपाक मेळटलें. ते मायनॉरिटी स्कूल आसा जाल्यार ते मायनॉरिटीच्या कॅटेगरीन वतले. कोंकणी एंड मराठी शॅल बी एन कंपल्सरी सब्जेक्ट एट प्रायमरी लेवल फॉर ऑल द स्कूल्स लिस्टेड एट A1, A2 एंड A3. हांवें प्रत्यक्ष भाशा चड पॉवरफूल केल्या तुमच्या, पण थोडे कन्सेशन दिला. आय एग्री, आय हॅव गिवन सम कन्सेशन. And if you ask me in principle, personally म्हजें ओपिनियन हांवें पयलींच सांगलां आनी हातूंतय हांवें पयलीं डिसिजन घेवच्या पयलीं म्हजें ओपिनियन म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंटाचें ओपिनियन व्हेरी क्लियर केलां की कोंकणी मराठी इज द करेक्ट हे. सी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव डिफिकल्टीज समटायम or democratic difficulties sometimes puts restriction on your policy implementation. This is restriction, I agree with it. हांवें खंय ना म्हणूच ना न्ही तें. हांव जर तूं डिक्टेटर आशिल्लो जाल्यार provided I would have bulldozed into Konkani Marathi.
Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch, NCP and most of the other stakeholders are not happy with the government's MOI decision.
Minority म्हणून दिता हे फक्त मायनॉरिटी लोकांक तांकां समाधान करपाक, डायसेशनान समाधान करपाक, वोट बँक तयार करपाक. पण इन जनरल पब्लिके खातीर न्हू. बाकीच्या लोकांक समज ग्रांट्स आहे इंग्लीश मिडियम तर तेंच्यांनी मायनॉरिटी अंडर येवचें अशें कितें तरी आहा हें सारकें वाचूंक ना हे आतां कितें करता दे आर फोर्सिंग अदर मॅनेजमेंट टू गो अंडर मायनॉरिटी मॅनेजमेंट सो हो कन्सेप्ट जो गव्हर्मेंट काडटा हो टोटल चुकीचो आहा आनी जस्ट टू डिवायड द पीपल
हांगासर सरकारान म्हणजे जे आदले काँग्रेस पक्षाचें धोरण आसा तें तशेंच दवरिल्लें दिसता आनी इंग्लीश माध्यमाच्या स्कुलांक जी काँग्रेस पक्षान ग्रँट सुरू केल्ली ती हांगासर BJP सरकार किंवा मनोहर पर्रीकाराचें सरकार जें पळय आहा ती दिवपाक सोदता ही एक व्यक्तिगत रित्या व्यक्तिगत पद्दतीन म्हाका मानवपा सारकी गजाल ना पूण हातूंत आनी एक भाग जोडिल्लो दिश्टी पडटा तो म्हळ्यार की इंग्लीश माध्यम आसतलें प्रायमरी लेवलचेर पूण ताका कोंकणी मराठी अशीं दोनूय भाशांतलीं पुस्तकां आसूं येता म्हणजे ताका इंग्लीश माध्यम शिकतना कोंकणीचो वापर करपाची जर गरज आसा जाल्यार ती ताणें घेवं येता पुस्तकाच्या माध्यमांतून मराठीच्या माध्यमांतून एक सोल्युशन आसा पूण तें म्हजे नदरेंतल्यान तें समाधानकारक ना
एक 1.5 वा 2 वर्सां कामत सरकाराचेर कित्याक चलवड करूंक जाय आसलेली आनी हे सगळे पळय RSS BJP आनी वो पर्रीकार तेन्ना व्हडले नारे गाजयताले दिगंबर पातकी माय भाशेचो घातकी म्हूण आतां पर्रीकार पातकी माय भाशेचो घातकी न्हय तूं म्हाका दिसता न्ही तो मनीस फुटयता म्हूण तो मनीस आतां वेळ पावला 3 वर्सां उपरांत ह्या सरकाराक बदलूंक अदीक करून पर्रीकाराक
इंग्लीश माध्यमाच्या शाळांक अनुदान चालू दवरपाची जी तजवीज आसा ती गंभीर चूक सरकाराची आनी मान्य केल्लो सिद्धांत मोडून सरकारान ही चूक करप हें अत्यंत वायट अशें घडलां
शेवटाक तांणी उडदा म्हाजी काळे गोरे काय निवडावे म्हण एक म्हण आसा त्या प्रमाणे लास्टाक काँग्रेसवाले आनी BJP वाले कितें हातूंत भितर फरक ना जेन्ना सत्तेर बसता तेन्ना सत्ता कशी टिकोवप हें एकमेव धोरण सगळे जाण राबयतात आनी आयच्या भाजपा मगोच्या सरकारान तें एकमेव काम केलां अशें म्हाका दिसता हे निर्णय म्हळ्यार केवळ मतांचें राजकारण कित्याक खबर आसा की जर आपल्यान वेगळो तरेचो निर्णय घेतलो जर जायत जाल्यार आपूण कोणा तरी दुखयतलो ही एक भंय आशिल्ली आनी जो पक्ष सदांच म्हणटा अल्पसंख्याकांचे चोचले पुरवले अशे तरेची जो भाशा करतालो आज ते कोणाचे चोचले पुरयतात आनी कितें करतात हे तांचे तांणी ठरोवपाचें
दिस इज कंप्लिटली अनएक्सेप्टेबल आमकां आनी ज्या मुद्द्याक धरून आमी आंदोलन केल्लें 2 वर्सां पयलीं आनी तेंच आंदोलन आमी कंटिन्यू केल्लें म्हाका दिसता की हो जो मूळभूत विशय ज्या गजाली खातीर आमी आंदोलन केल्लें ताका न्याय मेळूना उलट ताका मारो बसला आनी त्या खातीर दिस इज completely unacceptable.
It is a well-balanced decision and we highly appreciate the efforts put in by the Honorable Chief Minister to settle this the major issue in a well-balanced manner. Though it was a delayed decision, we are happy because it has been a consultative, all-inclusive decision. Probably the delay was because there was a lot of consultation, a lot of stakeholders were taken into account. And the decision taken.
Goa, India took the gold medal tally up to 5 after K. Shamini won the women's singles table tennis title in the Lusophobia Games on Wednesday. The host also bagged the silver and bronze medals, sweeping the women's individual event at Pere Indoor Stadium. Goa, India men's doubles team had to settle for a bronze medal after an all-Portuguese finals. The hosts have 5 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals in their kitty now.
It was an all-Indian affair in the women's singles table tennis final as K. Shamini took on her national circuit colleague Madhurika Patkar. Both the experienced national paddlers put up an excellent performance with the cool and calm Shamini prevailing over the aggressive Patkar.
5-10 और आखिरकार इस गेम को जीता
11-5
गोल्ड मेडल पॉइंट। मेरी बात खत्म होने से पहले परिस्थितियां और ज्यादा सुदृढ़ की कि शामिनी ने तमाम सारे अवसर और जल्दी ही उन अवसरों को आगे भी नहीं आने दिया।
गोल्ड मेडल के फाइनल सिंगल्स मैच में और गोल्ड मेडल उनको, गोल्ड मेडल भारत को ये कुछ हाइलाइट्स इस मैच के। पहला गेम हार गई थी, लेकिन उसके बाद बहुत ही शानदार उनका प्रदर्शन रहा। अच्छा मोमेंटम बनाया और पूरी तरह से कंट्रोल पाई, पकड़ पाई और कोई मौका नहीं दिया उन्होंने माधुरिका पाटकर को।
Taking part for the first time, Lusophone games, and winning every match is boosts us and it gives confidence. And since I played with Madhurika, both of us, we know our game each other, and today I played little well, so that made me to win today.
You know, you don't show any emotions at all. The smile is there now on your face. How does it come? Is it natural? You say, why should I bother? I will play my game. I will not show exuberance. I will not do like a lot of champions do.
It's by birth I'm little silent, little reserved type, and I keep telling myself that I have to keep fighting, play to the strategy, land the ball. So that keeps me busy, so I don't express. Sometimes I do express, but I try to, nowadays I'm trying to avoid it. I have to stay calm, because table tennis, since it's full of focus and concentration. If you just slightly go out of the concentration, that's it, gone. You'll be killed by the opponent.
यह है के शामिनी, स्वर्ण पदक विजेता, महिला एकल की विजेता, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट के शामिनी। Mr. Rajendra Arlekar, Honorable Speaker.
Ankita Das had earlier won a bronze medal as Goa India made a clean sweep in the women's singles individual event. Saumyajit Ghosh and Harmeet Desai had to settle for a bronze medal in the men's doubles event, dominated by the Portuguese. Goa India are placed at the top of the medal tally with 5 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals. Meanwhile, the beach volleyball action has kicked off at Miramar with matches at 8 in the morning and 4 in the evening for the next 3 days. With bureau inputs, our video journalist from Miramar, Tulshidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.